Hey guys, welcome to the BdThemes widget tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the Glossy grid widget, how it looks and how to customize it. This widget is brought to you by Elementor, the pioneering online store designer for WordPress. Glossy Grid is a minimalistic widget that offers a clean UI to display your online products in a double image layer box. Normally, the grid displays the product image, title, price, rating and badges. Once your visitors hover over the grid, they will see the second product image and cart buttons in a revealing animation effect. There are lots of ways you can customize and style the Glossy grid as you want. Elementor provides a good number of customizable features to let you decorate your product gallery nicely and precisely. This is our demo page where we made a couple of product gallery variants to show you how many awesome designs you can create using this tool. The grid could hide or show description text of each product, making a new refreshing interface than usual. Of course, the background overlay counts in as well. Not only that, but also you can give your visitors an easy way to change the grid layout for a quick view of the products. It makes the grid interactive and fun to use whenever the users feel like browsing lots of products together. Alright, time to see the back in actions. Dragging and dropping the Glossy Grid widget inside the page editor gives you the default appearance of the grid. First, you can switch between grid and list from the style option. The list reveals the product description on the display. Going back, you can select up to 6 columns for the grid. Just switch a bit till you find the best column proportion for your website. Then you can set the alignment for the content on the grid. Right below, there is an image size option and 2 switchers for column filter and pagination for the grid. The query section lets you limit the number of items displayed on the grid at once. Like selecting 3 will limit the number to 3 in total on the page. There are more filters like include exclude options and item order filters available below. Next, the additional section contains switchers to show or hide specific elements on the grid. For instance, you can turn off the rating switcher to see the rating go invisible from the grid. Let's turn it back on. In the same way, there are badges and action buttons modded in the switchers. For the new product badge, you can set a custom time delay to flash it on the new products during the time being. You can also turn on and off the action buttons that pop up upon hovering over the products. Now, let's move on to the Style tab. From the first section named Items, let's wrap our grid products with solid borders and set the border width to 1. Then tone down the border color by reducing the transparency. Then open the box shadow option and drag the blur scroll down to the bottom. We can reduce the border color more if you want. Next, from the content section, let's add a background color for the content part by selecting black and reducing transparency to the minimum. After that, we can work with the padding for the content area. Let's turn off the link button and put values on top and bottom margin. For next, let's customize the title by changing the title color for both normal and hover modes. After that, we can change the pricing color for regular and sales. Then we can customize the action buttons in order to match them with the rest of the colors. Text goes black and the background goes light ash. For hover, we can make the background black while the text stays white. Let's carry on the color setup for all three action buttons. Just hover over any product and you can see how awesome it looks. That's how easy it is to set up a nice product gallery using our Glossy Grid widget. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.